3, 2, 1.
Who was the first singer to perform at the legendary 60s Woodstock Festival? The answer is D. Richie Havens. Who won the Olympic gold medal for men's singles table tennis in 2016? The answer is A. Ma Long. Who is the first singer to have two singles that sold over 30 million copies worldwide? The answer is A. Bing Crosby. Who was the first black president of South Africa? The answer is B. Desmond Tutu. What is the name of Zoe's high school on Zoe 101? The answer is C. PCA. Who controls prey population? The answer is A. Predators. Which character from Grey's Anatomy said this? Look, I'm gonna go upstairs and take a shower, okay, and when I get back down here, you won't be here. The answer is C. Meredith. Which philosopher wrote the Tao Te Ching? The answer is D. Lao Tzu. What is the word for a young wallaby? The answer is B. A joey. What creature does Athena transform into to help Odysseus in the Odyssey? The answer is C. Owl. What is the birth name of Academy Award-winning actress Jane Fonda? The answer is C. Lady Jane Seymour Fonda. Which author wrote The Great Gatsby? The answer is C. F. Scott Fitzgerald. What language has the most number of dialects? The answer is A. Chinese. Which household item helps you peel potatoes quickly?
The answer is B. Fork.
Who is considered the fastest player to reach 3,000 hits in MLB history? The answer is D. Hiro Suzuki. What is the minimum ocean water temperature required for a tropical cyclone to form? The answer is B. 80 degrees Fahrenheit. How did James Bond's parents die? The answer is B. Climbing accident. What actress stars in the 1998 movie A Price Above Rubies, which borrows its title from the biblical quote, "Who can find a virtuous woman, for her price is far above rubies"? The answer is D. Renee Zellweger. How does this thought by Mark Twain end? To be good is noble, but to show others how to be good is nobler. And the answer is A. Is no trouble. Which piece of clothing covers the feet and is often worn with sandals? The answer is D. Sock. What member of Bon Jovi did model Eva Herzegova marry in September 1996? The answer is B. Tico Torres. What is the smallest commercially available car? The answer is A. Smart car. What is the name of the popular game Fortnite's main character? The answer is A. Peely. Sunlight gives plants the energy they need for what? The answer is A. Photosynthesis. What shocking discovery does Detective Mark McPherson make about the murdered Laura in the 1944 mystery movie Laura? The answer is C. She is actually alive. In the movie Dog Day Afternoon, the manager of the bank apologized to his girls. Why did he do this? The answer is A. Because he swore. What is the largest county in the U.S.? The answer is C. San Bernardino County. Which of these actors did not appear during the first 8 seasons of the show Scrubs? The answer is D. Carl Weathers. What do you call the diffusion of solutes through transport proteins in the plasma membrane? The answer is D. Facilitated diffusion. What type of coal is formed at lower temperatures? The answer is A. Bituminous. The Thames River flows through which city? The answer is D. London. 2 angles of a triangle are 4 degrees and 56 degrees, respectively. How large is the third angle? The answer is B. 120 degrees. Which instrument does a tuba resemble in shape? The answer is D. Double bass. What do you call a trade union that consists of employees of one company? The answer is C. A vertical trade union. The capital of Italy is Rome, but which river does it border? The answer is B. Tiber River. What is the name of the wizard in the legends of King Arthur? The answer is A. Merlin. What is the longest domino toppling structure? The answer is C. A castle. When a solution freezes, only what particles come together to form a solid phase, while the presence of solute particles interferes with that process? The answer is B. Solvent. What is the chemical name of common table salt? The answer is D, sodium chloride. Which musician is known as the king of pop? The answer is A, Michael Jackson. How many calories of energy does 1 gram of sugar or starch provide? The answer is C, 4. What type of shoe typically has laces and a high top part that covers the ankle? The answer is C, boots. What is the molecular formula for glucose? The answer is A, C6H06. Which theory suggests that cognitive development proceeds through distinct stages? The answer is D, Piaget's theory. Which character from the 1939 movie Gone with the Wind utters the phrase, "As God is my witness, I'll never be hungry again"? The answer is B, Scarlett O'Hara. What is the first operating system developed by Microsoft? The answer is B, DOS. Which sci-fi series follows the adventures of Captain Kirk and Mr. Spock? The answer is B, Star Trek Enterprise. What tool is used to measure a bowler's performance in cricket? The answer is D, wicket. Who played the role of Batman in The Dark Knight? The answer is B, Chris Hemsworth. Which two terms are used to describe weather?